Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the disk is unknown with not initialized error. To get started, simply search for command prompt, right click over it and run it as administrator. Now type disk part and hit enter. Now type list disk and hit enter. From here, determine the drive. In my case, it's disk 1. You can also match the same from the disk management console. Once determined, type select disk followed by the disk number. Then type clean and hit enter. Then type convert GPT and hit enter. Now type create partition primary and hit enter. Now type format fs equals to ntfs quick and hit enter. Now type assign and hit enter. The drive will open up automatically. So once done, simply exit from the command prompt console. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.